How to iterate over data in Python. 1. Iterating over a list. My_list, the name of a variable, equals assignment operator. It stores something in the variable. 10, 20, 30, a list containing the numbers 10, 20, and 30. So this line creates a list and stores it in the variable my_list. 4. A keyword that starts a loop. Item, a temporary variable that will hold each element in the list one by one. In means take from or loop through. My_list, the list we just created. The colon tells Python the next indented block belongs to the loop. So this line means, for each value in my_list, do the following. Print, a built-in function that shows information on the screen. Item, the current value from the loop, first 10, then 20, then 30. The indentation, the spaces before print, tells Python this line is part of the loop. So this line prints the current value. 2. Iterating over a string. Text, this is the name of a variable. Equals assignment operator, stores something into a variable. Hello, a string, sequence of characters. This line creates a string, hello, and stores it in the variable text. 4. Keyword to start a loop. Char, a temporary variable name. In this loop, it will hold one character at a time. Print, char, will display output. Y is the current character from the loop. 3. Iterating over a dictionary. My_dictionary, this is the variable name we have chosen. It will hold the dictionary. Equals, the assignment operator. It stores what's on the right-hand side into the variable on the left. Curly braces define a dictionary in Python. Name, Alice, a key, value pair. The key is the string name. The value is the string Alice. Age, 30, another key, value pair. The key is age. The value is the number 30. So this line creates a dictionary with two pairs and stores it in the variable my_dictionary. 4. Starts a loop. Key, value, two loop variables. Each time the loop runs, Python will take one key, value pair, and assign the key to key and the value to value. In means get from or iterate over. My_dictionary.items returns a special object that contains all the key, value pairs of the dictionary in the form of tuples. From the dictionary above, .items will produce something like name, Alice, age, 30. The colon signals the start of the indented block, the code that will run on every iteration. So this line says, for each key, value pair in my_dictionary, do the following code block. Print key, colon value. So this will print the key, then a colon, then the value, all on one line. This will continue until there are no more pairs left to print out, and the loop stops. 4. Iterating over a set. From my_set equals 1, 2, 3. My_set, this is the name of a variable. Equals, the assignment operator. It stores what's on the right-hand side into the variable on the left. 1, 2, 3. Curly braces with values define a set in Python. A set is an unordered collection of unique elements, no duplicates. This line creates a set with the numbers 1, 2, and 3 and stores it in my_set. For element in my_set, this line means, for each item in my_set, do the following code block. Because sets are unordered, Python may return the elements in any order. 5. Iterating with index, enumerate. Colors equals red, green, blue. Colors, the name of a variable. Equals assignment operator, stores what's on the right into the variable on the left. Red, green, blue. A list with 3 strings, red, green, blue. This line creates a list of color names and stores it in colors. 4. Starts a loop. Index, color, 2 variables. In each loop cycle, Python will unpack a pair into these variables. Index, the numeric position, 0 for the first item, 1 for the second, etc. Color, the actual item from the list. In means get items from or iterate over. Enumerate, colors, a built-in function that takes a list or any iterable and returns pairs, position, item. From red, green, blue, it produces 0, red, 1, green, 2, blue. The colon means the next indented block is the loop body. For each index, color, pair from the list, print, index, color. 6. Iterating over a file, line by line. With open data.txt as f. With starts a context manager block. It's a safe way to work with resources, like files. Open file_name.txt. Built-in function that opens the file named file_name.txt in read mode by default. As f assigns the file object returned by open to the variable f for use inside this block. Together, this line means open the file_name.txt, call it f, and when the block ends, close it automatically, even if there's an error. File not found error occurred because the file_name is not the right file we are working with, and furthermore, we need to access the directory in which our file is stored. Here is the right file that we are working with. Module #1, Python, basics.txt. Now that we have the right file, let's run our code. We have a new error, no such file or directory. Module #1, Python, basics.txt. We need to open the file by following this path exactly the same way we work with a CSV file stored to our desktop like we did in previous exercise. With open rc /users /gmuhi /desktop /module #1 Python basics.txt. Let's run our code once again. Looks better now, but still have a typo. We can fix that. It's on line 5 of our code. We are missing r from the strip function. The typo is fixed now, and let's run the code again, and voila. All is good now, and you can see what's saved in the file module #1, Python, basics.txt. 7. The last but not the least. Iterating over rows in Pandas DataFrame. Import pandas as PD. Import tells Python to load a module, a separate piece of code you can use. Pandas, a popular data analysis library in Python. As PD gives it a short alias, PD, so you can refer to it easily later. This line means, load the pandas library and call it PD in this script. df equals PD DataFrame, name, Alice, Bob, age, 32, 27. df, a variable to hold a data frame, a table-like data structure. Equals assignment operator, stores what's on the right into the variable on the left. PD DataFrame, a pandas function that creates a data frame object. Name, Alice, Bob, age, 32, 27. A dictionary where the key name has a list of names, Alice, Bob. The key age has a list of ages, 32, 27. For index, row in df.iterrows. 4 starts a loop. Index, row 2 loop variables. Index, the row index number. Example, 0, then 1. Row, a pandas series object that represents the row's data. In means loop over. df.iterrows, a pandas method that goes through the data frame row by row, returning index, row, pairs. The colon indicates the start of the indented loop body. This line means, for each row in the data frame, give me the index and the row, then run the next block of code. Print row name, row age. Print, built-in function to display output. Row name accesses the value in the name column for this row. Row age accesses the value in the age column for this row. Both are printed with a space between them, since prints arguments separated by spaces by default. The indentation shows this is inside the loop. This prints each person's name and age from the table. Oops, an error has occurred. Key error. Name from print function has capital N. Wickle name will lower N was expected. The typo was fixed, and it works fine now. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.